guys, thanks for joining me for another taste test video. So today I'm going to be sampling another of the Robert Caldwell cigars, the latest boutique line of cigars coming out of the New World. So this one is the Eastern Standard Euro Express, which comes available in two bands. Interestingly, I've never seen anything like that before. This one is a 5" by 44 ring gauge cigar, and it uses a Connecticut Shade grown and Brazilian Mata Fina hybrid wrapper leaf. That's exclusive for the Eastern Standard line, so you're going to get a unique experience right off the bat with this one. It's got a binder which is Habana Dominicano, and filler from Dominicano Criollo 98, Dominicano Corojo, Ligero, and a Nicaraguan leaf as well. So real complex one, I'm looking forward to it. All the tobaccos have been aged for around 6 or 7 years as well, so that's going to give it a lot more of a mellow, refined flavour to it as well. But let's give it a go and find out. Well, I'm good halfway through the cigar now, and I'm absolutely loving it. It's one of those cigars that straight away you notice the unique flavours from it, and you're like, wow, that's got something interesting to it. It's got really creamy, smooth texture to it, and it's medium in strength, so it's a real nice one for during the day. I can see it pairing up with a nice milky coffee as well. The flavours in there, they're very sweet and tangy. It's got a real long finish to it, which really accentuates that tangy sweetness and picks it out with a subtle spice as well. Keeps it really nice and interesting, and it's one that you're not going to get bored of and you're going to keep wanting more, and I can tell it's going to be a real finger burner too. But yeah, you can find them of course at Cgars.com, and they'll be at the best price available in the UK. And of course, like, share and subscribe to the video, and let me know in the comments section if there's anything else you'd like me to taste test for you. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.